In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily switch between front and back camera while recording a video on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and basically if we open up camera app, we can first off switch to video, and then we can switch between our main camera and frontal camera by tapping right here. That's how we can easily do so before we start recording a video. Once we hit at this red circle, we won't be able to switch between our front and main cameras. To be able to do that, we need to use a workaround. I'm gonna show you how to do that. First off, guys, we need to head over to the App Store and then search for timestamp. You can select timestamp camera from the suggested options. And then you need to download that app, Timestamp Camera Basic. The app has also full version, but this feature, the feature we are looking for, works pretty well on basic version too. So we need to get this app, and then once it is installed, we can open it up. And then in the same way, we can switch between frontal and main camera by tapping right here. And also we can do the same while recording a video. Now I'm gonna start recording by tapping right here. This time widget shows that the video is being recorded right now. And in the same way, we can, by tapping right here, switch between frontal and main camera. And as you can see, I really can do this while recording a video, and the recording process doesn't stop. Then once we are done with that, we can hit right here to save the video we have recorded to our Photos app. That's how we can easily find that video. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.